Here are the 10 best foods for skin. Number 10, kiwi. Kiwi will give you tons of vitamin C. Vitamin C produces elastin and collagen, which give your skin elasticity. Collagen breaks down as you get older and causes wrinkles. Vitamin C counteracts this process. Number 9, salmon. Salmon and other fatty fish such as mackerel, tuna, and trout will improve the overall condition and appearance of your skin. That's all thanks to an array of nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids are healthy fats that help reduce inflammation. Number 8, watermelon. This fruit, which is synonymous with summer, is loaded with water, which can help hydrate your skin. Plus, it boasts vitamin C, which helps your skin's elasticity, and it provides antioxidants that prevent signs of aging. Number 7, yellow peppers. Want to fight wrinkles? Then eat vitamin C-rich peppers. They also contain vitamin E, which helps repair damaged skin, vitamin A, which helps skin moisture, and carotenoids, which decrease the skin's sensitivity to the sun. Number 6, tomatoes. To protect your skin against sun damage, chomp on some tomatoes. They provide the bright red pigment that is naturally found in the skin called lycopene. Lycopene protects against the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Do you need a good pre-workout or just want more energy for housework, yard work, or everyday activities? Try the new upgraded 𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗓 with Chromanex 3+. Clinically tested with impressive results. For energy, focus, and fat burning, get 𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗓. Link in the description. Number 5, oysters. Eat oysters to help wounds heal and prevent scarring. Oysters contain the important trace metal zinc, which promotes healing. Oysters can help prevent wounds from breaking down and keep skin strong during healing. Number 4, berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries offer antioxidants, which help protect the skin from the sun's damaging effects. Eating these foods also may help prevent signs of aging skin like dryness and wrinkles. Number 3, cucumber. Beauty buffs know that you can apply cucumbers to your face to help relieve puffiness under the eyes. Eating them is beneficial too. They help hydrate the skin because they're made mostly of water. Number 2, pineapple. The tropical fruit contains bromelain, which is thought to fight inflammation. Lessening inflammation can improve your skin's appearance and may make you feel better if you're suffering from sunburn. Number 1, citrus fruit. Citrus fruit like grapefruits, lemons, limes, and oranges boast nutrients like vitamin C that help keep skin youthful looking. Remember, while these foods are great choices, they don't replace sunscreen and other sun protection measures. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to learn how to add collagen to your diet. That's it. That's all. See you next time.